Something's burning, as we're building, fire, 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 ring the alarm, ring the alarm. Something's burning, as we're building, fire, 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 ring the alarm, ring the alarm. Emergency, emergency, Ashley tries to put it out. She can't stay, she's on her way to the other fires now. Something's burning, as we're building, fire, 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 ring the alarm, ring the alarm. Something's burning, as we're building, fire, 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 ring the alarm, ring the alarm. Tinkly has a good idea. CJ tries to do the same, but the fire is getting higher and they need to stop the flames. Something's burning, as we're building, fire, 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 ring the alarm, ring the alarm. Something's burning, as we're building, fire, 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 ring the alarm, ring the alarm. Dickly, Daisy and CJ are all ready to work and play. Let's get out and along the way we'll fix the broken bridge today. Daisy tries to reach the plank so who can't stretch that far. They need to come up with a plan or they're stuck where they are. Dickly, Daisy and CJ are all ready to work and play. Let's get out and along the way we'll fix the broken bridge today. Dickly has a bright idea, he'll need help from the boss. Mr. Rubble's on the hook so he can swing across. 1, 2, 3 and swing! Dickly, Daisy and CJ are all ready to work and play. Let's get out and along the way we'll fix the broken bridge today.
Trick or treat, trick or treat. Diggy's ready, Daisy's here to trick or treat. But Mr. Rubble's plans mean they can't collect their sweets. Everybody else is playing trick or treat. Mrs. Skip comes by, maybe she can save the day. With spooky fun masks, now they can go out and play. Daisy knocks upon the door in her fancy dress. falls for it and gives her sweets. Yes! Trick or treat, trick or treat. Diggly's ready, Daisy's here to trick or treat. Diggly grabs his pumpkin and turns it creepy green. Now he can go round again to trick or treat. Mr. Rubble has fallen for the trick, but he's catching on, so run away now, quick! Hide before he sees, Mr. Rubble won't be pleased. Oh, what fun is had on the spooky Halloween. Trick or treat, trick or treat. Diggly's ready, Daisy's here to trick or treat. Everybody's laughing, happy Halloween. It's such fun when we're all playing trick or treat.
Oh no, little sheep, do you need more room? Diggly and Daisy will fix it soon. Watch out everyone, it's such a windy day. Working together they always find a way. Weather tower's in a spin, it looks like it might fall. Quick, Diggly, watch the sheep, we need to help them all. Oh no, little sheep, do you need more room? Diggly and Daisy will fix it soon. Watch out everyone, it's such a windy day. Working together, they always find a way. Now the danger has been stopped, they can build again. Let's recycle all the wood to build a bigger pen. Dance, dance, little sheep, now you have more room. Diggly and Daisy will be back soon. They helped everyone on a windy day. Working together, they always find a way.
Oh.
This is their home. Oh no! Building a barn. Building a barn. Building a barn together. The Bunnies start to pick things up and take them all away. Diggly thinks he's English, here's what's going on. Now everybody knows. Build it in the other field. Come on, crew, let's go. It's a brand new day, Diggly and Daisy on holiday. No work to do, let's go and play. 'Cause everyone's here, give a big cheer down at the beach. Down at the beach, digging in the sand, floating on water, life is just grand. But what was that? Racing around, yes. Buster and Scout driving about down at the beach. Down at the beach, look what we've made. Playing sandcastles, watch that big wave. Daisy and Buster have made a team, so come on, let's dig to make it big down at the beach. Down at the beach, sandcastle fun. Diggly and Scout make a bigger one. Look at the sea, it's coming in. So get digging quick, that is the trick down at the beach. Down at the beach, here comes the tide. While Mr. Rubble must run and hide. Look, Mrs. Skip is surfing in. So everyone's soaked, sharing a joke down at the beach. Today with everybody helping, let's all play some trick or treat. Boo, happy Halloween. Daisy's at the pumpkin truck, helping to unload. They are falling everywhere and onto her, oh no. Stuck to her face is quite a scary sight. A pumpkin monster she can be to keep people affright. All the crew are here today with everybody helping. Let's all play some trick or treat. Boo, happy Halloween. Buster, Scout are hiding up, the pumpkin monster's here. Diggly sees what's going on and he has an idea. Daisy slowly creeping up to scare them when she can. But they are all ready to go with a new spooky plan. 3, 2, 1, boo! All the crew are here today with everybody helping. Let's all play some trick or treat. Boo, happy Halloween. All the crew are here today with everybody laughing. Trick or treat is so much fun. Boo, happy Halloween. Everybody's busy digging the canal. Everybody's busy digging the canal. There is lots of work to do and some big surprises too. Everybody's busy digging the canal. The trench is dug and it looks good to go. Daisy's ready to put on a show. With a swing and a smash and a fling and a splash, look and see the water start to flow. Everybody's busy digging the canal. Everybody's busy digging the canal. There is lots of work to do and some big surprises too. Everybody's busy digging the canal. Daisy needs some help to stop the tide. CJ saves the day, they're side by side. But they're not done. Look, over there's someone. A boulder's in their way, it's big and wide. Everybody's busy digging the canal. Everybody's busy digging the canal. There is lots of work to do and some big surprises too. Everybody's busy digging the canal. Working hard with the crew, they all have a job to do. Everyone is helping, watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow. Here comes Bump, roll along. Uh-oh, all the plans are wrong. He can't speed up, and that isn't bad, but moving slowly makes him sad. Working hard with the crew, they all have a job to do. Everyone is helping, watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow. Working hard with the crew, they all have a job to do. Everyone is helping, watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow. Working hard with the crew, they all have a job to do. Everyone is helping, watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow. Time. Diggly and the crew are here, it's building time. Something's wrong with CJ, she doesn't look okay. Let's find out and help her out at work today. Bump is putting pillars down, all ready to go. Mr. Robble's watching Kitten, says hello. Be careful here, Daisy, swinging round your ball. If you knock one of the pillars, they'll all fall. Building time, building time. Diggly and the crew are here, it's building time. Something's wrong with CJ, she doesn't look okay. Let's find out and help her out at work today. The pillars fall, everybody move. Kitten's playing in their path, what can they do? Someone needs to help out, they have to be brave. CJ goes to fix it all, now Kitten's safe. Building time, building time. Diggly and the crew are here, it's building time. CJ lost a tooth, but now she feels okay. She was there to help them out and save the day.